Hey everyone, today we're sharing an incident that highlights the dangers of using Excel for data management and financial reporting. AstraZeneca, a biopharmaceutical company and best known as the pharmaceutical partner for Oxford COVID-19 vaccine, accidentally leaked confidential information due to an Excel error back in 2011. How did this happen? While preparing their financial guidance report at the end of the year, AstraZeneca used an Excel template to collect and compile various data points and forecasts. Unfortunately, the Excel file also contained confidential information which was mistakenly sent to the analysts. This error led to a 4% drop in his shares from July 2011 to December 2011. Today, companies are adopting robust financial management platforms which enables consolidated data visibility with access control and data encryption to prevent such mishaps. Are you managing sensitive financial data with proper access controls and permissions across your organization?